Hi everyone, it's your favorite genderqueer unicorn, Mikey, and welcome back to my bed. Since we've been spending a lot of time at home recently, and I personally have been spending a lot of time in my pajamas, I thought it would be a good time for me to update my pajama wardrobe, so to speak, because my pajamas consist of really old and tattered extra large t-shirts. They just are like the most comfy thing that I find to sleep in, especially like the older shirts that are super worn and super soft and just like, oh my god, they're just so comfy. But because we're at home a lot and we're not really changing out, well, I'm not really changing out of my pajamas, I have started to feel a little frumpy and a little depressed, and I know one quick way that I am able to pull myself out of a funk is to put on some cute clothes, because that immediately changes my mood. And I know that a lot of you feel the same way, so I thought it was high time for me to start buying clothes that are super cute and super comfy, not just for at home, but also for going out. Because I have a dog, and I'm sure a lot of you do too, and when you have a dog, you are just going out of the house a few times a day to walk your dogs, and like, it's not cute to do in your pajamas, right? But if you have pajamas that look cute and look like you're supposed to go out in them, then you're always ready and you'll always stay ready. I bought the clothes for myself because I just really wanted to wear some cute clothes while I was at home, but I thought this would be a fun little video for you guys and maybe inspire some of you to go out and get some cute clothes for yourselves too. So I think it's very important at this time for us not only to look good, that's always important, but it's also important for us to feel good about ourselves, and if clothes can help us do that, I think there's no harm in it, and we should just put on those cute clothes that we want to wear. So hopefully this is a fun video for you guys. It's going to be a fun video for me. I have about 6 or 7 pieces of clothing that I'm going to try on for you guys, and I hope you guys have as much fun as I do. So if you like videos about fashion, luxury, and bags, I would love it if you subscribe and hit that notification bell icon, and also don't forget to thumb me real good because it feels good inside. Yay! Okay, I was able to get through it finally. Let's start trying on some clothes, shall we? Okay, first we're going to start with this dress. It is from Superdown. It is a camisole dress. I think I got this for like $12.90. All these dresses were really cheap because they are like all 60% off. Ooh, wow. It's made of this satiny material. If you can see, it's super soft, and also the material is really thick. So that's nice. Let's try this on, shall we? Where did the sun go? This might not exactly be a wear at home dress because it has some boning here. You can see this part's really hard, so I don't think this is going to be super comfortable for at home, but are you guys ready? Let's try it on. Oh, okay, what do you guys think? This is a little tight, but I think it's meant to be tight. It is super stretchy and super comfy. This part is not really bothering me as much. When I looked at it, I immediately thought of a nightgown. It kind of did look like a nightgown online, but this feels more like a club dress to me, which, I mean, it is probably a club dress, but I don't know, I still think it's super cute. What do you guys think? I think this is nice. This is the part with the boning, but I don't really feel it, which is great. Cute! Love it! Can't wait to walk my dog in this. Dress is from Superdown. It's a super cute stretch satin. It is nice and thick and less than $13. I approve. Let's try the next one. And this is the next one. What do you guys think? I think this is super cute. These are self-tie fronts. Both of them are. So I was not expecting that. I thought they were already like, you know, pre-tied, but I think that's cute. Allows you to tie it at whatever length and tightness you want. And the only problem I have with this is that I feel like my nipples are dangerously close from slipping out anytime. But I think this is a super cute dress. What do you guys think? It's super soft and stretchy, so it's going to be super comfortable for wearing at home. And it's also actually a really cute like date night dress. I can totally see wearing this to like a restaurant on the beach or something, or like a tropical vacation. I am really happy with this dress, and I think this is only $11. This is also from Superdown. Got it from Revolve.com for under $12. I think it was like $11.60. So I think this is a great deal, super comfortable, definitely gonna wear again. Let's go and try the next one. And this is the next dress. It's also from Superdown. I've decided to just try on all my Superdown dresses, but this is a camisole slip dress. It says lover right there, super cute. And this is also like a soft cottony jersey material, I think. It's just super soft, I love it. And I can see myself wearing this a lot in the next few weeks. I think, oh my god, it's so soft. What do you guys think? I think this is one of the most pajama-like dresses that I've gotten so far. I love it. It's super comfy. Yes, this is great. This is also a dress from Superdown, less than $15 on Revolve.com. And I think this is a great pajama and going out option. Let's try the next dress, shall we? What do you guys think? This is also from Superdown. I swear this is the last one, and I swear this is not sponsored, but I think this is super cute. This is another satin slip dress. This one definitely looks a lot more nightgowny. It's a lot more fitted here, which I like, and it's super comfortable. It's not a stretchy satin, but that's okay. I just think it's super cute. I think out of all of them, this is the most like lingerie looking. As Amber Scholl says, we should always wear lingerie out in public, so that's not a problem. And I don't know, I just think it's super cute. What do you guys think? Now that we have tried out all of our Superdown clothes, it is time to try on all our pieces from Free People. Yes, I did buy clothes from 2 different fashion houses this time because I had gotten a Free People dress from the Nordstrom sale the last time. I got the Adela dress, and I just really fell in love with how this bralette fit on me. So I was on a mission to find more Adela pieces, and I just wanted to show you guys the bralette first. It's just like this. I think it's super cute. It's got a smocked back. I'm not going to be trying this because it's by itself, but I will be trying the dresses because it's the bralette with, you know, a skirt on. So now let's get out of this and into those. So what do you guys think? Oh my god, I think I'm in love. So this Adela dress from Free People is what set me off on the hunt in the first place and started this whole shopping saga for me. And honestly, this is so comfy. I love the lace detail up here, and I love the smock back because it's just makes it super comfortable for me, and it's super stretchy, and it makes this the perfect size. And I don't know, I think this is such a great dress. Is their maxi version. It goes all the way down to the floor, and it's just so comfy, and I think this is going to be an amazing dress to wear all summer long, at home, when I'm out, or anywhere I want. I feel like this is such a versatile dress, especially in this color in the maxi. I can definitely see this as like a date night dress, maybe go to a restaurant. Definitely is giving me tropical vibes, which is great. I love that. But all in all, I think this is a great dress. Oh my god, look, I got boobs. Woo! Yes, this is the Free People Adela dress in the maxi size and the gray color. And I love it! So let's go on and try the next and last piece. It's also from Free People, but this is a more date night, formal, fancier dress, even though it is from the same line. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a second when I put it on. What do you guys think? I love this dress. I think this is my favorite dress out of all of them. This is the Free People Adela dress also, but it is in the rose and the velvet burnout. Velvet burnout because it is kind of like velvet on top of the mesh here, if you can see. And there's a little slip underneath. And I think it's just so cute. There's something about this dress and this color and this fabric that is just so romantic to me. And I think this is the cutest little date night dress for summertime or springtime, or maybe if you're in a tropical country or something where it's always nice and hot and warm. This would be cute. I can totally see this as like a beach dress too if you're going to a beach wedding or something. Maybe if you're going to Miami or the Bahamas or Bali, this would be the perfect dress for everything. This is the Adela dress in the velvet burnout, and I think this dress is my favorite out of all the dresses that I tried on today. What do you guys think? Which is your favorite? Do you have a favorite? Would you get any of these dresses? Do you think any of these dresses are dresses that you would wear at home? Please write down in the comments and let me know. But yeah, I had so much fun trying on clothes with you guys today. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and also thumb me real good because it feels so good on the inside. And I will see you guys on the next one.